Today's video is for review on Palmer Skin Success. Palmer Skin Success Lotion, okay? Stay tuned, don't skip any video, alright? Hello guys, my name is Maureen Beautiful. Welcome to my YouTube channel at Maureen TV. It's been long ago. I feel like it's been 1 year since I've talked to you guys, So I know some of you guys will be wondering what is going on since I think 1 month plus now. I have not uploaded any video, and I uploaded my village life. Okay, it's just this. I traveled to Africa, which is Nigeria. Okay, so I traveled and me and my husband, we got a chieftaincy. We got a title called chieftaincy. So that title is like an honor. If you do something for the community, they give you an honor. So now I am Lol. Okay, so and before I travel, there is a lot going on. I've been working like crazy. Like I worked like straight 1 week, no 7 days, no non-stop. So everything going on. The stress was so much on me. And this January I came back, I'm having like a cold and catarrh. Like even if you hear my voice, I will sound somehow. I've been having cold and catarrh, and but I decided, you know what, I have to film this video, whether devil like it or not. I have to film this video. Okay, so I have a review for you guys. I have a cream that I've been using now for let me say 1 month now. So it's a Palmer Success, okay? Palmer Skin Success. So Palmer Skin Success is very good cream. It contains vitamin E. It's a fed milk, and it targets dark spots, even skin tone. So it brightens skin, balances tone, targets dark spots, correct discoloration, deeply moisturize. So this cream is very nice. I haven't seen someone that says bad thing about this cream, like it gives them like a bad reaction on their skin. I haven't seen someone say bad thing about it. That's good about this cream. It's very nice. It's for all skin tone color. It's for all skin color. And it contains 5% of niacinamide. Okay, niacinamide is something that works on a brightening skin. Okay, it brightens skin without giving the skin like irritation, because some certain product, there's some certain ingredient that can brighten your skin, and it also irritates skin, but niacinamide doesn't do that. Okay, you can also google what niacinamide do. So this skin, one thing I like about it, it's like it evens your tone, like, especially those places you have a dark spot, or it evens your skin. Okay, one thing I can say about this cream, there's one time, like around I think October or August, I was packing something to ship to Nigeria, and I went into the sun. I didn't use my sunscreen. I have sunscreen though, but trust me, I forgot everything about sunscreen. I went to that sun, and I have a little bit sunburn by the side of my body. This cream, when I use it, it evens it immediately within 2 weeks. So that's one thing about this cream. And it also depends on the type of on your body type. Okay, so when I started using it, I use only the cream because it says it moisturizes, but because sometimes I have a dry skin. So when I use it, I notice that I start itching on my back, because the oil, it does not contain the oil that will moisturize my body, my skin well. Okay, because I have a dry skin sometimes. So if I didn't use enough body oil, my skin will be dry and I will start itching myself. I will start scratching myself. So because of that, I I already have the oil already, okay? So I use it with the oil. So what I did, how I mix it together, you can also mix the oil inside the cream together, but what I do on my own part, I pour the cream on my hand. So this cream, the original one, comes with, you see, is white. It's not pink in color. Inside is white, pure white. So I pour this the cream on my hand. I use the oil and add it. And add the oil. Then I apply it on my body. So this cream works well if you want to brighten your skin, like gentle, like it's not a harsh product. You can use it, okay? Then if you want it to work faster than you think, you can add anything like a serum on it, okay? If you want me to make a video of how you add the serum, you can put it on the comment section below. I will be happily add my own serum, and I will add a serum in it and use it for 1 week or 2 weeks. Then I will come and make a review on it, okay? So that's one thing about this cream. And to know the original one, like I told you, it comes in is the inside is white, the cream inside is white in color, and it also shows family owned and operated. So that's what it is. Apply twice daily on clean dry skin, focusing on more pigment prone areas such as elbow, knee, and all that, okay? So that's one thing about this cream. This cream is fine. Every color can use it, whether you are dark, you know, it just even your skin, that's all. It doesn't bleach you like the way people talks about, you know. The first time someone told me about this cream that it bleaches, if it bleaches you, that means you added a strong thing in it, okay? Because a lot of people do add something on their cream. They will not tell you the truth, and they will tell you it bleaches. No, it doesn't bleach. This Palmer Success doesn't bleach. It just even your tone. All right, I did not add anything on my own, so it doesn't bleach me. All right, and again, I don't apply it on my face. All right, I will, on my other video, I will still tell you guys that it's a cream I bought and I'm using it on my face. Oh, if you look at my face right now, you see that my face is sparkling, okay? So I didn't apply anything. That's why I didn't apply anything. No powder on this face, nothing. I just... So if you like the way my wig, I will show you guys. This wig is my sister that's you know, turned this wig onto another level. All right, I don't know how to do that well, so my sister just did it. If you want to do your wig, you know, if you want to stretch your wig, or if you want to turn your wig to another style, another design, you contact me on the comment section. I will give you the contact. She made this one happen. See? Oh, I'm feeling the wig. I'm feeling the wig. All right, I don't even have time to do all those things. I went to Nigeria. One more, she packaged them for me. God have mercy. She packaged, that's what she does. She packaged them for me. I was like, why didn't you do that in all my wigs? She said she doesn't have time, that she has so many customers, she's doing their wig and blah, 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 blah. I take the one that she packaged. I say, let me just tell you guys, if you want your wig to be packaged like mine, just hire me for that comment section below. I will be glad to share whatever contact you did that, or you can follow me on my Instagram at Momo Obiefle. All right, and thank you guys for people joining me. For if this is the first time you are joining me on my channel, please don't go without subscribing and like my video. Show me love, okay? If you are returning subscribers, chop kiss. I love you guys so much, you know. I love you guys so much. You guys, you know, the people that knows me, they've been hammering me, Mori, what is going on? You have not been uploading. It is so much work, you know. I'm a nurse, okay? And I'm a new nurse, you know, go to work and all that, and, you know, do more hours, add more hours on your... It's too much work to do all that and come here and do a video and edit the video, upload with the children, no help. At least if you're in Nigeria, you know that most of you guys have help. 99% of Nigerian women have helps. Even those that doesn't even work, that stays at home, they do have help. But we in our diaspora, we don't have help, you know. Balancing work with trying to do my YouTube, because I got a lot of questions from people outside. What do you apply on? You know, trying to do all that is too much work on me, too much work. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. At least I will be dropping video. Even if I didn't drop, I will drop one video 1 week. Then anytime I have so much free time, I will drop like 2. Please, I beg, water more. Take me the way I am. Any cream I see that is good or has advantage and it's disadvantage, trust me, I will come out here and give you guys update about the cream, or fake, or, you know, anything about what you apply on your skin to look flourish. I will come here and update you guys. Or if I have a lifestyle going on that I want to share with you guys, I can as well come here and share with you guys, okay? So I will upload a video of our chieftaincy title. I don't know when the video will be available, but I promise if the full video is not available, I'll promise the short video that my sisters helped me to cover that day. And yeah. And again, I think I went to ShopRite. I will still give you guys the video, at least to, you know, sight and see, you know, just to see how Nigerian ShopRite is, you know, and all that. Thank you guys for hanging in there for me. I love you guys so much. You guys are my strength. When I mean, like, it's not easy to subscribe to someone and watch their video. It's not easy at all. You guys are my strength, honestly speaking. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Right back. Bye.